Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brenda Nyawara. Today I came across an image by Twitter user at Ian Kimani, and he posted a photo that almost made me puke, so I thought I would share it like a good sport. So he posted this photo earlier asking what is this, and honestly, what exactly is this? Because it looks like an image of avocado with some half-cooked eggs and salt and pepper sprinkled onto it. I'm assuming this is food because it doesn't look like anything else. It looks like it's on a plate, so it looks like it's food. I don't know what to say about this. Is this what we're doing now? Quarantine is making guys come out with recipes, but this is something else. It can't be for human consumption. Honestly, I've never understood guys who eat raw eggs. Let's just start from there. I don't even eat eggs myself, so seeing this is just, yo. Do guys actually eat this? Because I'm so surprised if it's actually food. I'm very surprised. Anyway, so guys had their own reactions also. I'm going to just post a few of them. If you want to see the tweet, it's in the description box. If this is appealing to you, that's fine. And if it's not, I'm sure it's not, because the reactions were just something else. DK Laston says, a meal prepared by the devil's chef, and I agree because it can only be the devil who can make this. Not to judge, but then... Dr. Jade posted 4 emojis of the sick face, and I agree because this thing almost made me puke just by looking at it. I can't. Ivan says, this is beautiful though. No, there's no way this can be beautiful because it's just... Is this beautiful? Maybe I should open up my mind to this, but no, I've tried my best. I can't. Abdi says, Last Supper. I agree because there's no way you can survive after this. The whole next door called it a guacamole. What? Okay. Whoa. Okay. Some Kaki said life in prison. Yes, because there's no way you can eat this by choice. Aleki says how she looks when you nut in her eyes. Dude. Samurai says something that makes you puke, and I agree because even just looking at this image almost made me puke. Razor says, why would one do this? And I'm asking the same question because why would you ruin such a good egg? You could make something else with it. Essential says high level HDL, high density lipoprotein meal. There's no way this is a meal. No way, even if it has that much protein, I am not going to be taking this. The art plug called it an avocado. That is so genius. Kenyan Melanin called it an avocado. Genius again. Kamanja says, I don't know, but it looks yummy. No way, this cannot look yummy. No way, not at all. Safat says beauty. What are guys saying in this thing? Honestly, this is beauty. Okay, Joe called it an egg-hosted avocado. That's a genius one also. Koru said death. And I agree, this has to be death. Whew. Burukenge says it's a avocado if you ask me, and I agree. That's a nice name for it. Eric called it an ova. Ova is egg, and some guys call avocado, and so, you know, ova. Okay, whatever. Elias Ngari says this is gross abuse of avocado rights. DCI must investigate and the culprit arrested because, yeah, you ruined a good avocado with this raw egg. Ugh. NN says it's a laxative, and I agree because there's no way you can keep this in your stomach. If it didn't come out as vomit, then it came out the other way. Kolom Davida says, seen this in a YouTube cookery channel, but I'm not convinced, neither am I. Which channel is this, honestly? Everlast says this is messed up stuff, and I agree because... Then Titi says the tastiest thing ever. Titi, are we commenting under the same photo? Because this can't be tasty. And if you did taste it, avocado has a bland taste, and then you're adding raw egg onto it, and so I can't even imagine if there's any flavor there. Alice Muli says keto diet. If this is what it takes to be on a diet, then count me out. Nick says yai avocado. So genius because, you know, yai egg, and avocado, yai avocado. Anyway, for me, it's a no. It's a no, period. There was also an issue where if you took raw eggs, sometimes you might ingest too much bacteria that may affect your stomach, and so it's not good for your gut health, but to each his own. Let me know if you would actually eat this because I wouldn't. Please like and share this video. I'll see you in my next video. Let me go puke. Ooh.